Kani gadai ke Darshan Meghalaya, bat ni pediang snobhai pi baro syaka ni ketup kubor mentah ke janmit. Para shua bangin pai syaki kubor ki babnya, ngin ya pet shua ki mat bakongsan. Bu mau nong rem umodi nak bentar lai teli ki semiconductor plan ki baha ke jenglot ke ba iway point arpusan lak lur tingka. Bu mau nong rem menteri rangba ke jela kongrat ke sangma na ke bentar ki lai teli project ban pen internet bat ban penduna ya ke jingkapnya ha ke nongba. Pen pulom ki pulit ya ke jingtemu ke seng HNLC ban pen betai bom IED ha Shillong bat nongpo syakem saungut. Ya kendu ke Shillong All Faith Forum ya Chief Secretary ke jela ha ke bayadai bat ki jing ha ki jaka kaput. Bat dawa ke KSU bat ki nong song snong ha ki jaka kaput ban weng no ya ke hukum ha ki jaka kaput ki bah West Giant Hills. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri rangba do keri Narendra Modi henne kesngi ula bo mau nongrem na kebenta ki lai teli ki semiconductor plan ki bathamai ha Gujarat bat kawai ha Assam. Ka Tata Group kan bu arteli ki napdeng ki lai teli project. Modi ula yo bani shimbenta lingba ka video conference ha ka program jong ka India's Decade Chips for Viksit Bharat ha ka ba ula penmana bante ya ki lai teli ki semiconductor plan ha ka ba unpenlut hadu iway point arpusan lak klur tingka. Ka semiconductor industry ha India ka day ka badang sedang ha ka ba ki company kila temu ban nang penyar ya ka. Menteri rangba ke jela kongrat ke sangma henden kesngi ula bo mau nongrem na kebenta ki lai teli ki project ki bahe na kebenta ban pin internet bat ban penduna ya ke jingkapnya ha ke nongba. Menteri rangba ula bo mau nongrem ru na kebenta ke jaka penyeng kali hapo ke Shillong Smart City Private Limited na kebenta ki saus pa repusan teli ki kali bat ke jinglut baro kalong hadu kendai pau klur tingka. Ya ka parking lot on bu ka way hayo polo ka bala banyam bun teli ki kali ka way pat on te ha Vivekananda Road ka bahajan additional secretariat bat ka balai ka ba on te kan long ha polo commercial complex. Ha ka ju ka por ka jingbu mau nongrem jong ka Words Lake Promenade ka balong iway point r kilometer jong ka jaka ka ba mar persya ya ka nan polok ka ba kentup lang ru ya ki dukan ki jaka de jing de jaka penyeng kali lem bar ki jaka bam.
Nirman Jheel at Lightcore, the Memo Lake at William Nagar and the Ram at Residual Para.
Everybody. Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Honorable Director, Urban Affairs Department.
Many plans and policies and programs have been planned and many are under implementation. And what we are seeing today that's going to be initiated is also going to be a very, very important part of what we are doing. We have a plan and a very ambitious plan, and we don't speak just on paper in terms of some ideas and numbers that come out from my mouth or my mind or Dr. Vijay or our ministers saying it. No. These are all done in a very scientific and a very planned manner where we have mapped out close to 9,500 crores of funds which will be invested from various sources, including state government, including central government, including private investment in the new administrative city and in the new knowledge city that is going to come up. So when this investment takes place at that scale, in this new growth hubs, as we are going to call them, we expect to create almost close to 50,000 new jobs and opportunities of employment for our youth.
ha ka jingis nok ti lang ha padeng ki pulit bat ka East Khasi Hills bat ka rib hoi lala ban pen pulom no ya ka jingtmu ka sengking atir jong ka hinyau trap National Liberation Council HNLC ban pen bethai bom ha ka nong ba shillong bat nong po ki pulit henen ka sngi ki la ya tho ba ka ha ka por rew je janmit jong ka la sngi ublei ki la yo kurup no ya ubom IED na ka wei ka kali ha kalenti na sning mau hati ya kani ka kali la nya da udaman bha ripnar kat kum ka jinga tho da ki pulit la ong bala kem ya sangut ki badon kti ha kani ka kam shushu ki pulit ki la yo ban kurup ru ya khat santeli ki gelatin sticks She's pa andru punyau teli ki splinters, way u safety fuse wire, lai teli ki non-electric detonator, lembat san teli ki mobile phone. Ka Oral History Association of India kala penlong ya ka jingelang halor ka mountain history at the intersection of memory politics and identity hinne ka sngi ha nehu ka jingtmu jong ka ne ka jingelang kalong ban wat jingtip ha ka bai dei bat ki khana ki kolshor jong kari India ya ki balaklet no da ki jaj bin rew lom Haba ajing kran ha kini kasngi u menteri ketenat pule puthi u rakam e sangma ulapan pau ke jings ngokumen banya don bentalang ha kini ke jingelang ha ka baula benrap da ka boong baki brio ke bedon ha kini ke slaper thai kila ban wat jingtip na ka benta ka lawe kini ke jingelang ka long ban wat jingtip ye ki lom ki wa ki kolshor ki rukum em bat ki rukom sinsha da ki jaj ben rew lom
Ini kuya that way.
We thought that, getting academicians today don't go to. It's about immense
request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly
Ini kuya that way.
Department of Journalism and Mass Communication.
in Northeast, the mountains and the hills and the strength, the flora and the fauna. Who will discover? Therefore, today, it's my request to all academicians, research scholars, like all the scientists and the philosophers. I think here, we are here not to invent only, but we are here to discover first. There are many what you call human speaking language, dialogue. They existed, spoken by the human beings, many tribes, has already been extinct.
Ki dekat jong ka Shillong All Faith Forum kilai kendu ya u Chief Secretary ka jela iba Donald Phillips walang ban yamir jengmut lang ha ka bai dei bat ki jing e jong ki nong shong shnong ka jela ha ki jaka khaput bat ka sam u Vice President ka Saf u N Bhattacharjee ulaya tho ba kila pentip sha u Chief Secretary halor ka ne ka jinglong jingman namar ki thrang bandon ka jingshong suk shong san om tang ha ka jela hinrei ha baro ki jaka khaput Hagaway pat kaliang u President ka Saf u Reverend Bishop Pierre Lingdo uloong ba ka Shillong ka dei ka nong ba ka ba shong suk shong san u Lingdo uloong ba wat kilat pathai kubor ki don ya ka jingkit kli ban wanra ya ka jing shong suk shong san ha ka jelahi baro ka wei
This is our appeal to all residents of the state. Is for us, members of SAF, and together with all of you media people. You have a great responsibility. Pimpinan ka kamaram, kung na mong inyatay, build up ya ka jing sok, ya ka jing along, ya ka jing soto, ya ka jing along kaway, haganiga, jala ka jomay. It is only with peace and harmony that we can live together, we can grow together, we can prosper together. Kalau pengidon kecil sok, kecil galong kawai, kecil soto jemut, hilap banya emlang, hilap salang, hilap banya sanlang, hilap banya roy, hilap banya roy pala.
Presiden Barem Kaseng BJP iba Ernest Mauri ila penpau ba kinong kershan kani Kaseng ki kuat tiket na kabenta ke election Lok Sabha na Shillong ba turasi da kitu ki badai bet na kani Kaseng. La aman kedau ba kila don hadu sawut ki balapan tiket na Kaseng BJP na kabenta ke Shillong seat. Kini ki kentup yo Menteri Kabinet iba Alexander L. Hek ikong fenala nonglat iba Ernest Mauri bat uway ubalong unong yalam na kabenta ki samla. Haba penpau hakilat pathai kubor hene kesngi iba Mauri iloong ba ilapan tiket hadin bagi nongkershan jong Kaseng ki banakeleng ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kila kerpat ya i ban yakun hakane ke election.
I was the state secretary, then I was the vice president during Shibun Lindo as president, and I was the state president. So my associate with the party is very long. And first and foremost very important point to be highlighted here, anybody who contests from the BJP, first and foremost they should know the ideology of the party. And that's why the demand has come from the party workers all over the Shillong parliamentary seat, even for all around the Shillong. They want that anybody who contests from BJP, they should be from the party and they should know clearly the ideology of the party. That is the demand of the party Karyakarta and the members of the party.
Ka Khasi Students Union War Jaintia Circle harengkat bat ki nyoteli ki dor bar snong kila let ban yakendo yo Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Jaintia Hills iba BS Solia bat kila kerpat ru ban wengno yaka hukum ne ka prohibitory order bala pelat mensyam benai ban khanglat yaki kambean haki jaka kaput. Kini ke hukum kalong ban khang ya ke jingle bean bat kayat ke yeng syajan kaput ban yada ya ke jing shalantu bat ki wei pat ki kamtu kam them. Kate ke ken hun seng kalau ong baki don ki wei pat ki benta ki bala ban yakren halor kini ki mat klem da kini no ya ke hok jong ki nong shong shnong wat la ong ru baki ne ki jingle ki kta ya ke jing im jong ki breu ki basyong basa haki jaka kaput.
Khasi yang kejeng keren doni lah ahi kata ka assurance na liang tong ba unsungkya ban pan ki ground reality report habide bat kini ke banta but nalor kini ka 144 unsau wat pat digri pat ki kenan an ki ban lakam ni ki social anti social elements ni ki illegal smuggling ni kini kam ki ba ta ya kata ka security ni ka sovereignty jongka di India ni kum sang la dawan visi ba unbeng no kini ka notification bala panjari but baun unom extension din bakut jong nega apana borok kini sinong ki hapot kilometer ne kilometer mere yakni sila mereka kubasan kilometer di kani directly kata ya ka sinong ka thau katra ka kata ya ka jing lai lu jing song lai lu unong lek nong wan hapot ka sinong lajong kimi ngko batun ban kata ka jing sakte nong sinong hi ude ban em lai lu sinong lajong.
Ya ke Kambel Shulai Eco-Friendly Crematorium Jong Kasenra Jowai la ple da wemle ke Jowai iba awailat miki shela ha kesngi baar. Ya kene ke jaka thangbreu ke badan ha khle tersi kedai da ke jingetrelang Jong ka Jowai Municipal Board bat kirit pat ki basyong basa hanong ba Jowai. Ya kene ke jaka thangbreu la thmu ban penne pensa ya kemariang na ke benta ki jaj benriu. Haba ai jingkran halor kate ke program iba shilla ila penbenaru ya ke jingtmu na ke benta ke jingdon kam jong ka weipat ke jaka thangbreu na ke benta ke jingmentoy jong ki patba.
और आपके जानकारी के लिए ये प्रोजेक्ट 37 लाख अगर आप खुद से करेगा तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा शायद तो इसलिए हम लोग अर्बन डिपार्टमेंट के हेल्प से कुछ फंड मिला वैसे जुवाई में तो बहुत सा काम है, पेंडिंग है, लेकिन हम देखा कि आपका ये सबसे मेजर प्रॉब्लम है और आगे जाके भी और प्रॉब्लम होगा। तो इस वजह से मैं अर्बन अफेयर डिपार्टमेंट का मैं शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा, इस गवर्नमेंट का शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने ये हमको अलाउ किया ये काम करने के लिए।
Ki arsengi jong ka jingya de yathiet but ka jingkan teo ha ka workshop ka bahab hapo ka scheme on studies for promotion and strengthening of black pottery ha ka shnong tershang but Larnai West Giant Hills district but la penlong ya ka ne da ka rural craft but engineering division ha tershi in Kle tershi West Giant Hills ki jingtmu bakong san jong ka ni ka project ka long ban penlong ya ki karkhana tenrai ki bala ban yakob but ki wei pat ki jingya de yathiet ki ba kham dawa ki ba seiso ki ba yo jingmi bat ki kam ki ba ne nakabenta ki karkhana tenrai ki nongshna jingshna bat ki nong seng kam seng jam u Dr. K. Venkato Rao u badai u Deputy Director but u engineer jongka rural craft ula ong ba ka jingpendep ya ka project kan long shisnem but ya ka ni ka project la phia haki arbenta
kalong ka mo ko ikasan ka pabha ke mani adu sispa chhongot pelayaran no pelinti ni thu pi no kam de kam ka pasu mo menta pila su thu ndi banong bastu punya la kam su thu ka tu ka ne agane ka project ba pelong ti te lawan training ka tu ni plajet na leng do pi mo pi banwan cha wada la sang tu atu ki mesti la training mati su kalong gumno yang sutu ke training ha nata ke lawan sebenarnya training hani senang jong pi ke bay appear na ke level ke no ya ki artisan ya ki master trainer nangka nangkam do kolong bagi la ilam ya ti cekini ki exposure visit ke mo kimi ki bri hui jaka ke ki bon bagi spak ke hajar itu cluster bi ni sedang reflect ki
Ka Shooting Association jong ka West Garo Hills kalayo ya ka jing job ka bakraw lingba ka jing play ya ki jaka siat suloi ne ka Indo Shooting Range ka bashipho mitar ha Don Bosco Higher Secondary School ha Tura ka jing don jong ka ne ka jaka ya lekai kan long ka jing yarap na ka banta ki khna ki badon ya ki sap ya lekai siat suloi ba ki nangla ban pentebet ya la de UPM Sangma ubadai President Jong Katay ka Sinjuk haba ajing kren ha katay ka jingalang ulapan pau ya ka jingdon kam jong kini ki jakay lekay ban kintiw ya ka jingi lekay siat suloy na kabenta ki samla.
So will this be able to train them properly?
Yes, we need to kachenga adulta sub member of Mochumate medalist John, no, Mr. John and myself. Aro Meghalaya Shooting Association, who is also the member of National Rifles Association. Dia cengko advice unata, why don't you open what they call create an association for this, which will be very beneficial for the people of Garbus. Kuning man cengay po angni no kosa meeting dak cingen mani association ko form kaceng. 2000 I think 15 or 16 mango unga. Aro uya ko form kaceng o cengay manang tangga baisa.
Mentapat ngan yepet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sumineng hanong ba shilong. Ka jingshit ka long 4 degree Celsius but ka jingkriat ka long 10 degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka haw ka long riu po na ka shispa min step but saw po na ka shispa janmin. Kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala hakikat to kat ni ki jaka. Shwaban poy siya ka bukod jong ka kubor ngin yapet biyang sa sisiyan yakimat bakongsan. Bu maunong rim umodi na kabenta lightly ki semiconductor plan ki baha ka jinglot ka ba iway point akusan lak klur tingka. Bu maunong rim menteri rang ba ka jila kongrat ke sangma na kabenta ki lightly ki project ban pin internet bat ban penduna ya ka jingkhap nya ha ka nong ba. Bin pulom ki pulit ya ka jingtmu ka seng HNLC ban bin bethay bom IED Hashilong bat nongpo syakem saungan. Ya kendu ke Shillong All Faith Forum ya Chief Secretary ke Jela ha ke Bayadei bat kijing ha ki jaka kaput. Bat dawa ke KSU bat ki nong shong ha ki jaka kaput ban wengno ya ke hukum ha ki jaka kaput ki Bahar West Giant Hills. Ti paralok atung ila poisha ka pukut jong ka thuk khubor jongi menta ka janmit hadu banginde syembyang bat pi la shai kasngi kublai pi baro.
Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur today launched the revamped websites of Akashvani News and DD News in New Delhi. Thakur launched the revamped news on AIR